Hello my gems, it is Sunday, so happy Sunday to you. I do have my paid boxes from Ipsy, the Boxycharm or whatever they call it now. So we're gonna go through this and we're gonna see how they did. You guys ready? All right, first box. Don't know what this is supposed to protect, and I do hope that you guys are having an awesome Sunday. Okay, so let's see what we got in here. Gold Faded MD. I think this is the cleanser. I'm sure it's sealed. Kind of hoping to see if I could smell something. Not really. All right, love getting cleansers, so that works. Then we have something called Stress Check Sleep Lotion. So, okay, so this is gonna get rid of all my stress. I'd be lathered from head to toe. Comforting body lotion with lavender and chamomile to support a good night's sleep. All right, I'm gonna lather up tonight with this and see if it does anything. Ooh, it does smell very chamomile-y. Not so much lavender though. Okay, moving on to the product that I had that was crushed. Bronze highlighter. So I'm assuming this one is not crushed, or at least hoping. All right, we need some skizzers here. Let's see, what do we got? I liked the color, so I'm hoping that it's a good one. Okay, so this one is not crushed. Let's just look at that. Let's see. I didn't put on highlight today, so let's just put her. Yeah, that's nice. Ooh, okay. I like her. Okay, moving on. We have by PYT. This is a setting powder made out of recyclables. Okay. Light peach. Now, what would be the purpose of having a setting powder in light peach? And can I get this open? Okay, I'm gonna have to cut the box because there's no way my nails are getting it. Okay. I'm working on it, guys. It's coming. I think. Okay. There we go. Okay, here it is. I got it. Finally. Okay. Yeah. All right. I don't know why. That does not smell good. All right. So peach, let's just get a brush here and see what it does. Okay. Don't see anything spectacularly different, but all right, next product. Okay, so the next product I tried to use earlier in my video. I'm pretty sure it's the same exact colors. Yeah, it is. Okay, so this is one I used. It was way too warm for me. I couldn't do it. So I'm definitely not going to touch this one. The shade is Color Boss Quad. Yeah. All right, so I'm definitely not going to touch this. It is a nice palette. I like the packaging. The value I think was like $42 or something, but I'll try to put all that on the screen for you. And then we're going to do a recap. I'm definitely either going to post this on Mercari or give this to someone because it's too warm for me. And I already have one. Then we have the PYT. This is the setting powder. Then we have the Bow Babe Beauty, the highlights. And then we have got the Stress Check Sleep Lotion. And then the Gold Faded MD Cleanser. So this was not a bad box. I do like getting the high-end brands. I'm starting to see some really new brands though, and I'm not really sure how I'm feeling about that or liking that. I do like to try out new stuff, but the reason I get Ipsy or Boxycharm was because of the higher end quality makeup. It's yeah, so those are my thoughts, but I want to know what you guys think, so put that down in the comments below. Thank you for taking the time to watch us unboxings. Did you enjoy it? Do you enjoy unboxings? Do you want to get to know me? If so, hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.